AI-enabled research tools and software for background research sound great, but are they as good as they seem? Do they live up to the hype? The marketing messages are convincing. In this video, I want to break down how they work, their limitations, so that you are clear on what you can and cannot do. Hi, this is Tim Santoni. I've been a licensed private investigator for over 20 years. I run a private investigation and background screening company, and my clients include law firms in the AmLaw 100, insurance companies, businesses, and brand owners. We all want easy and quick access to background research tools that will provide court records, criminal records, public records, social media profiles, and background information. And if there is a one-click solution that can deliver this using AI-assisted tools, it should be cheap as well, right? The amazing marketing messages promoting AI-assisted research tools blur the reality of what is possible. The messaging is convincing, and it appears that these solutions are better, faster, and cheaper than traditional research tools and processes. I want to stop right there because better and faster are subjective, and I want to add that AI-assisted search tools often grab a ton of data, but more data is not always better in the world of investigations. To the untrained eye, the data dump that is offered up looks like a treasure chest, but this data must be carefully reviewed by a skilled investigator or researcher because it is not accurate or verified. This process can take a ton of time. Now, I want to share why it is not possible for the AI tools and software to deliver on what they promise. First off, to access court records and public records, the AI tools and software would need to access every court website in the country to conduct a thorough and comprehensive search. This is just not possible because each court website has different requirements. Some require a free account to be set up as long as you provide a name and email. Others require you to pay access or purchase search credits. The other limiting factor is cost, because the access fees alone to conduct a comprehensive search in all jurisdictions would be cost prohibitive. So let's just say that an AI bot or software tool could log into all the court websites. Then what? Once the bots access the sites, the searches could be conducted. But what happens if you have a common name like John Smith, or you're searching criminal records in California where their dates of birth cannot be entered? The bottom line is you will get back a ton of results that are not your subject, or you could have a search that is your subject, but you won't be able to verify that the record pertains to your subject because the court records lack the necessary identifiers to do so. When it comes to social media research, an AI bot could be useful if you had the profile names of your subject, but if the social media profiles you were looking for are not linked to your subject via an email address or name, then they won't be picked up. I also want to point out that if the social media profiles are private, they may not be detected. They might be detected, but the contents cannot be viewed or extracted. So, what is the answer? With all these new AI-assisted research tools, how can you conduct comprehensive research quickly and accurately? The key is to understand how the AI search tools work and their limitations. A skilled researcher will need to be able to use AI search tools in conjunction with conventional research and commercial database tools like ScopeNow, Ferretly, TLO, property title records providers, and other open source intelligence gathering tools to deliver comprehensive reports. So what's the takeaway? First off, there are no shortcuts, and the one-click background tools don't exist. Don't be fooled. I encourage you to read the fine print and understand the limitations of your typical Westlaw and Lexis searches. If that doesn't interest you, then you should engage with a professional investigator that knows this stuff inside and out so that you can get the whole picture. Thank you for watching, and consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with your network. Thanks.